Accompany your posts with branded images. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 8 is to accompany your posts with branded images. People readily identify funny or branded images. These are common images that have been used on other sites before and have had a wide range of following. There's no sin in using the same images for your own advantage. On most occasions, social media users will always take a second to glance at an image they have seen before on a different platform. Additionally, they are always more interested in the event that such images are used in a different context or if the images have been altered slightly. Make use of this common practice to lure more and more traffic to your posts, blogs, or sites. Many branded images are funny and hilarious. Social media users like funny and hilarious stuff, so give it to them. The trick to winning the hearts of social media users is to give them exactly what they intend to get when they log into their social media accounts. A greater percentage of social media users visit these sites for the purpose of interacting and relaxing their minds. Funny plays a pivotal role in meeting these desires, so do not shy from providing exactly what they need. To stay connected to me, subscribe and hit that little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.